All right, you guys, let's make some baked chicken. Baked chicken on a Sunday is just so holy. So the seasonings that you will need is some Creole seasoning, pepper, oregano, some Italian seasoning, and I use Everything Seasoning by Flavor God. And I also add some avocado oil. You can use oil of your choice. That's just going to help it get a little bit crispier since we are going to be cooking this in the air fryer, and help the seasonings coat to our chicken wings. So go ahead and dump your seasoning in your bowl. And you can choose to use tongs or your hands and just mix that all together. Off camera, I did add in some cilantro and a little bit of salt just to bring everything together. Then we're gonna take it and add it to our air fryer. Air fryer, best invention ever, hands down. Just makes life that much easier. So set your air fryer for 370 for 20 minutes. I find that this does not dry out the wings. And then I go back in and I crisp them up at like 400 for like 10 minutes. And they just come out like this. Absolute perfection. You guys enjoy.